Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue from where we left off in the previous session. Today we will be moving ahead with the next part of the topic, so let's get started. Now we have to learn about the trigonometric identities. In a right angle triangle, we have this following. We have a 6 identities that we can use it there, and among them the first one is sin² plus cos² equal to 1. This equation we will have to by heart. Then you have to learn cosec² minus cot² equal to 1. Okay, then comes sec² minus tan² equal to 1. These three equations we will have to by heart. Okay, these identities are true for all the angles between from 0 to 90 degrees. Okay, means in a right angle triangle, if we are having a right angle triangle, means what are the angles that we will be having here? This will be a 90-degree angle, and these two angles will be, their sum will be equal to 90. That means the value is going to be if this is A, this is B, and this is C, means angle B equal to 90 degree. And what's about this angle A and C? Angle A and C will be less than 90 degree, right? So these three equations we will have to by heart. In order to do the exercise 8.3, these equations are important. And along with that, the same equation, if I'm taking sin² plus cos² equal to 1, I can make two other equations out of this. What is it? Value for sin² will be equal to what? If I'm taking this cos² to the opposite side, my value will become 1 minus cos². Then value for cos². What is the value for cos²? Cos² is equal to 1 minus sin². These two equations we can frame out of this one. And from the second equation, now we are having the second equation, right? Which is the second equation? It is cosec² minus cot² equal to 1, right? From this equation also we can frame other two equations. First one is the value for the cosec². Cosec² equal to 1 plus cot². Why? If I am taking the cot² to the opposite side, minus cot² will become plus cot². And now I want to make the value for a cot². What can I do? I can take this cot² to the right side. So what will happen? Cosec² minus 1 will become cot². That is, I can write value for cot² is equal to how much? Cosec² minus 1, right? Similarly, from the third equation also, I can frame two other equations. First one is what? Sec² minus tan² equal to 1. Right? This is our equation. Right? From this one, I can write a value for sec²θ. Right? Sec²θ equal to 1 plus tan²θ. Tan²θ is equal to how much? If I am taking this tan²θ to the opposite side, what will happen? I will get tan²θ equal to sec²θ minus 1. These are the three values will be. So, in total, we are having how many values? 3 values in total from this one. Then comes from this equation also, this we will get a 3 equation. And from here also, we will get a 3. Total, we will be having a 9 equation. Now, if you feel difficulty in by hearting this equation, we can use some tricks to keep this in our mind, right? So, let me first take our equation sin² plus cos² equal to 1. This equation we will have to by heart in the same way. Now, the next equation what I can do is that take the cos. Okay. Then think about which trigonometric ratio which starts with the cos itself. It is cosec²θ. Okay, now think about the same next trigonometric value which also ratio which starts with c itself, that is cot. Okay, that is cosec² minus cot² will give me the value 1. Okay, now what in the next step what I will do is that I will cancel this co from here. What I will get from the cosec, which is the trigonometric value I can derive? It is the sec. That is sec² minus reverse of cot. What is the reverse of cot? It is tan², which is equal to 1. Okay, in this way we can by heart this equation. Right? This one you can by heart in the same way, sin² plus cos² equal to 1. Second one, what I did, I took the cos, and so now the trigonometric ratio starts with the cos is cosec. So I took the cosec² minus. Now think about the next trigonometric ratio which also starts with co itself, means see, that is cot²θ. So I got cosec² minus cot² equal to 1. In the next step, what you will do, you can think about the trigonometric ratio which starts with, means if I am removing some part out of my first one, which is the next trigonometric ratio, I can derive it out of from it. That is a sec, right? From cosec I can make sec. Now in the second part, what I have to do, reverse of the cot. Tan is the reverse of cot. So I can make these three equations, right? In this way, try to by heart these equations. Okay, now let's do the question number 1 from 8.3. Express the trigonometric ratio sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So first we have to take the sin A. And your answer should contain what? It should contain cot A in it. Sin A can be written as what? Sin A equal to 1 divided by cosec A, right? So this cosec A, now we have to think about the equation that we have learned right now. The equation in which cosec² minus cot² equal to what? 1. This is our second equation that we have learned there, right? So from here, we will have to frame an equation for what? Equation for cosec²θ. So cosec²θ equal to how much? Equal to 1 plus cot²θ, right? Now think about if cosec² equal to 1 plus cot²θ, what is cosec²? Cosec² equal to root of 1 plus cot²θ, right? Now substitute that value where? In this equation. So we can write, therefore, sin A equal to what? 1 divided by, in place of cosec A, I will have to write 1 plus cot²A. Clear? Now I got a value for sin A in terms of what? In terms of cot². Now similarly, I have to find the value for second one is sec², right? Sec A. How to find the value for the sec²? Similarly, here also we will. What is equation for the sec²? We have learned in same equation that sec² minus tan² equal to how much? 1. Therefore, sec² equal to what? Sec² equal to 1 plus tan², right? Here in place of sec A, then what I can write here, sec² will be equal to root of 1 plus tan², right? So here we can insert this equation in this place. So I can write sec A equal to how much? Sec A equal to root of 1 plus tan²A. Okay, now one more relation is, but I have to convert to what? My final answer should contain cot A in it. So what is the relation between this tan and the cot? Tan θ equal to 1 by cot². So what I can do here, therefore I can replace this tan²A by 1 plus 1 divided by cot²A. Clear? Now what I have to do again, here I will have to take the LCM and make the, that is 1 by 1 plus 1 by cot²A, right? Here what can I do? This one is root of cot²A plus 1 divided by cot²A, right? This is my equation. Now finally, one more step if I want, I can do it here. I can take the root like this, cot²A plus 1 divided by, what is root of cot²A? It is cot A. Clear? So I got For sec A, I can convert the ck towards sec equal to root of cot square A plus 1 divided by cot A. Okay, now this also I am able to write in terms of cot A. Now the third one, it is tan A. They were asking us to convert the tan A to what in terms of cot A. Automatically, we know that tan is a reciprocal of cot. So I can directly write tan A equal to 1 by cot A. Now let's solve the question number 3. From the question number 3, we are going to solve the second one among that one. That is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. That value we need to find it out here. So how to find this one? So let me repeat the question. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Its value I need to find it out, right? So what I will do, I will replace these values. Tan theta, sec theta, then cot theta and cosec theta. I will replace the values with its corresponding values. That is 1 plus tan theta can be written as what? Sin theta divided by cos theta. Then next one, the sec theta. Sec theta can be written as how much? Sec theta equal to 1 by, if this starts with s, so sec theta is 1 by cos theta, right? So similarly, we need to find the other one. 1 plus cot theta means what? Cot theta equal to 1 divided by tan theta. What is the value of tan theta? Tan is equal to sin by cos. So 1 by tan means it is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta, right? In this way, we can replace cot theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta divided by sin theta. Then minus cosec theta means cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Okay. This is here we have to write by I wrote cot theta like this. Okay. Now, this is our equation 1. If you are looking in this equation 1, there is no need to put the equation 1. Now, let me write that one once again in the bottom portion. That is 1 plus. Now, look, I need to find the LCM here. What is the LCM in the first part? LCM is cos theta. So, I need to multiply this 1 with whom? The 1 I need to multiply with the cos theta on both sides. Means on the numerator part and the denominator I need to multiply it with cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 the whole divided by cos theta. In this way I can rewrite that equation, right? Similarly, if I'm looking at the LCM of the next part, its LCM is sin theta, right? Because now if I want to make this part also sin means I need to multiply here also with the sin theta. Here also I will have to multiply with the sin theta. Then I can make the LCM common. So here what will happen? That means sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 the whole divided by sin theta. Clear? Now if you're looking here, you can see one common thing here. I am replacing that one, like 1 into cos theta means it is cos theta, right? Now look here, what I can write, this cos theta and sin theta, if I'm taking this as my A, you can see the sin theta plus cos theta here also in the first. Now look, I'm going to take 1 as my B. Here I can rewrite this equation in which form? If this is A, and that means if this part is A and this part is B, this is of which form? A plus B. And if this is A and this is B means what? This is of the form A minus B, right? So the numerator is in which form? It is in, it follows the equation A plus B into A minus B. Its value is equal to what? It is equal to A square minus B square. Here what is the A? A equal to sin theta. I can write sin theta plus cos theta. Clear? And B equal to what? 1. So what is A square minus B square? So I can rewrite this equation as, here in place of A square and B square, if I am substituting these values, I can rewrite that one as sin theta plus cos theta the whole square minus 1 square, right? A square minus B square means in this format I can rewrite this equation. So till here it is clear, right? So now I need to substitute this value in my equation 1. Okay, this is equal to, let this be the equation number 2. Substitute, what I need to do? Substitute 2 in 1. So I can write this one as my numerator is equal to, now I can write my numerator part. Now what about the denominator? Cos theta into sin theta means my denominator will become cos theta sin theta. Or in a better way I can write it like cos theta sin theta cos theta, both are same, right? Means 3 into 2 equal to 6 means 2 into 3 is also equal to 6, the same way. Okay, so here I will insert the value in my numerator part, that equal to, how can I write? Sin theta plus cos theta the whole square minus 1 square divided by, my new denominator is sin theta into cos theta. Clear? Now you can see that here in this part, again this follows equation A plus B the whole square, right? Sin theta plus cos theta the whole square means this is of the form A plus B the whole square. A plus B the whole square equal to what? A square plus 2AB plus B square. Here A equal to, in this condition, A equal to what? A equal to sin theta and B equal to cos theta, right? So I can write that in which way? I can write sin theta the whole square plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta the whole square. This is what? This is this equation. Expansion of sin theta plus cos theta the whole square. Now what I can do? I need to write this part, right? I need to write this part. So I will write my, what is 1 square? 1 square is 1 itself. So this much I will put inside a single bracket and this part I will write it like minus 1 the whole divided by sin theta cos theta. Clear? After that, now I need to expand these whole things. I need to remove the bracket, means I need to open the bracket and I need to solve it. Sin theta the whole square means sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta minus what? Minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. So now again what I will do is that I will take this one and this equation and I will write it in the first part. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 the whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. Clear? Now what is this equation? This is sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, I can insert that value here, right? That is 1 plus, now 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 the whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now look here again. This one and this one I can cancel. 1 minus 1 means 0, right? So what is left over? Left item is 2 sin theta into cos theta the whole divided by sin theta cos theta. Now what I will do here? I will cut out this part because sin theta cos theta divided by that I can divide that. So here what is my value? Value is 2. Okay, so I got my answer as 2. So which option is correct? The option number C. Option C, which is equal to 2. Okay, the correct option is C. Now let's do the question number 4 here. The question 4 says that what? Take the question number 4. In question number 4, let us do the question number 1, which is equal to cosec² minus cot² the whole square equal to 1 minus cos² divided by 1 plus cos². This is what we have to solve it here. So how to solve this one? Let me take my LHS. This is our LHS, right? So in LHS it is given what? LHS is equal to, so let me write a solution. Cosec² minus cot² the whole square equal to 1 minus cos². What I can write? 1 minus, so I'm solving with the LHS part first, and I'm trying to make my LHS equal to RHS. Okay, I'm trying out with the LHS. So cosec² can be written as what? Cosec² equal to 1 by sin², right? So I will replace this cosec² by 1 by sin². Then what about the cot²? Cot² equal to 1 by tan², which is again equal to cos divided by sin², right? So this cot², I will rewrite that one as equation like cos² divided by sin². Here I have to put the whole square. Now look at the denominator. Both the denominators are same. So I can write it in which way? So I can write this one as 1 minus cos² divided by sin² the whole square. Then again this can be rewritten like 1 minus cos² the whole square divided by sin²θ, right? Sin² can be written as, I can write this one as sin²θ. Now here 1 minus cos²θ, I need to expand the 1 minus cos² the whole square. I need to expand it there, or let it be there. First let me do with my denominator. What I can do with the denominator? Sin²θ equal to, look at the equation, sin²θ plus cos²θ equal to 1. Therefore, from this equation, I can derive the value for sin²θ, right? Sin²θ is equal to 1 minus cos²θ. So, what I will do, this value I need to insert in my denominator. That is 1 minus cos² the whole square divided by 1 minus cos²θ. Clear? 1 minus cos²θ. In this way, I can rewrite this equation. Now look, this 1 minus cos² the whole square means, let it be, I can rewrite that one like 1 minus cos² into 1 minus cos². Okay, and look at the denominator. This is of which form? A square minus b square. 1 can be written, why? Because here the 1 can be written as 1 square, and that is our A. And b is what? B is cos², because if you are looking here, this is of the form what? I can rewrite this equation like 1 square minus cos²θ, right? So it followed which equation? A square minus b square. So that is 1 minus cos² into 1 minus cos², the whole divided by, what is a square minus b square? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here I can rewrite this one like what? That is 1 plus cos² into 1 minus cos². I can rewrite it in this way, right? So now look, here in the numerator there is 1 minus cos². In the denominator also there is 1 minus cos². I can cancel them both. So here my answer is 1 minus cos², the whole divided by 1 plus cos². Okay, so in this way I can write my answer. So look at the equation. So this is what our RHS is, right? Look at the RHS. What is the given RHS here? RHS equal to 1 minus cos² divided by 1 plus cos². Hence we proved, right? LHS is equal to RHS. At the end we will have to write hence, or therefore LHS equal to RHS. Now let's do the question number 3. Tan² divided by 1 minus cot² plus cot² divided by 1 minus tan². We have to prove that is equal to 1 plus sec² cosec². So here this tan², we can rewrite the tan² equal to how much? Tan² equal to sin² divided by cos². Okay, cot theta can be written as what? Cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, so these two equations we need to insert in our equation. So in place of the tan theta, what I will do, I will write it like sin theta divided by cos theta. Then the denominator is what? Denominator is 1 minus cot theta, right? So that I will write it like 1 minus cot can be written as cos theta divided by sin theta. Then plus what? Plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Therefore, cot theta can be written as how? Cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta divided by what? 1 minus tan theta, right? 1 minus tan theta can be written as 1 minus tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Clear? Now what we will do, if we are checking this one, this is of which form? A by B divided by C by D. So I can write that one like A by B into D by C. Right? Before doing that, here I will have to solve my denominator. What is 1 minus cos theta? 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta means I can take the LCM. Here my LCM is sin theta. That is sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay. Here also, what is my LCM? My LCM will become 1 minus sin theta by cos theta means my LCM will become cos theta, that equal to cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. In this way, I need to replace my denominators. Okay, that is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta divided by my first equation is sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus next one is what? Cos theta by sin theta divided by what is my denominator there? Cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, now we can apply which form? This one, A by B divided by C by D means A by B into D by C. That is equal to, I can rewrite this one as how? That equal to sin theta by cos theta into, this will go to the numerator part, right? That is sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, similarly here also what will happen? Cos theta divided by sin theta into, what will happen? My cos theta will goes to the numerator part. Cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Here I can write this one as, this is in this part I can put inside a bracket. So I can write that part as cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, right? Then next part I need to write it here, which is equal to, what is cos theta into cos theta? It is cos square theta divided by, similarly, sin theta into, what I can write? Cos theta minus sin theta, right? In this way we will write the equation. Then we will have to, now what we have to do, we have to find our LCM. Okay, but before doing that, now check these two. This is sin theta, one is sin theta minus cos theta and the other one is cos theta minus sin theta. So here in this denominator, if I'm multiplying with a minus 1, what I can do, I can, that means if I'm taking a minus 1 outside, this one will become, I can change my sign. Okay, that means that negative sign I can insert where? Here. Okay, that is, I can rewrite this equation like sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Here, what will happen if I'm taking minus 1 out of there? So, my equation here, the cos theta will become minus cos theta and sin theta will get converted to plus sin theta. Okay, that is cos square theta divided by sin theta into this cos theta will get converted to minus cos theta and sin theta will get converted to plus sin theta, and I can take that minus 1 where that I can place it here. Then that means my sign from this negative sign, positive sign, it will change to negative. So this I can rewrite my denominator, right? This one, in order to make it like a look a little bit like same like this, what I will do, I will write there sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta, because cos theta is negative there, right? So that is sin theta minus cos theta. Now what I have to do, next one is LCM of this denominator. LCM of denominator, look at the LCM. What is that? Here sin theta and cos theta is there in both the cases, but here it is 1 cos theta and here it is 1 sin theta, right? So this equation I need to multiply with the sin theta on both the sides, right? And in this equation, what I should do, in this equation I should multiply with, here cos theta is there in this denominator, so I need to multiply with the cos theta on both the sides in this equation. So what will happen, my equation changes to sin cube theta, means sin square theta into sin theta is sin cube theta divided by this cos theta and this sin theta, and I can multiply and I can write it like sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, okay, plus what, here this cos theta, cos square theta into cos theta is cos cube theta divided by, similarly sin theta into cos theta I can rewrite that one like sin theta into cos theta. Here in the remaining is inside the bracket one is sin theta minus cos theta. In this way I got my value. So now I can rewrite this one again, right? That is, now my denominator became same. That is sin cube theta minus cos cube theta the whole divided by sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Clear? What is a cube minus b cube? This is of the form what? A cube minus b cube, right? What is a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, a square plus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. In that way also we can write. So here our a equal to what? A equal to sin theta and b equal to cos theta. So I need to substitute in this equation and I need to rewrite that one. What is my equation? My equation is sin, so a minus b. A minus b means sin theta minus cos theta into, what is in a square? A square is sin square theta plus ab equal to sin theta cos theta plus b square. B square means cos square theta, right? The whole divided by sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Clear? So now what I can do? This one and this one I can cancel. So what is left over? Leftover item is sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta, right? Again, look, one more thing, I can write them both like sin square theta and cos square theta, right? What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? It is equal, if I want I can rewrite like that one too, sin square theta plus cos square theta. I will write it in the first part, then I will write the remaining one, which is the sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Okay, what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? it is equal to 1. 1 plus sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. This can be I can rewrite this equation, right? That is 1 by sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta, because I separated the denominators and I splitted the denominator. I was writing that. Now what I can do, I can cancel them both. So what I can write, which is equal to 1 by sin theta into sin theta cos theta plus 1. In this way I can write this one. But why I am repeating like this is, my RHS is, check the RHS. Our RHS is 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Okay. This one again, 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos, means I can write this one like 1 by sin into 1 by cos plus 1, right? What is 1 by sin theta? 1 by sin means it is cosec theta. 1 by cos is what? Sec theta plus 1. That is, I can rewrite this equation like what? 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta, which is our RHS. Right? This is our RHS. Therefore, that is equal to what? RHS. That is LHS equal to RHS. Okay, now let's do the question number 8. Here, this is of the form of sin A plus cosec A the whole square plus cos A plus sec A the whole square, that we have to prove it equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So, this part, it is of the which form? A plus B the whole square, which is equal to what? A square plus 2AB plus B square. Here also, this is also of the same form. A plus. So, here in both the cases, we can use the equation A plus B the whole square. In first part, sin A plus cosec A the whole square means I can write that one as sin A the whole square plus 2 into sin A cosec A plus cosec A the whole square, right? That is the first part. Plus what? This is my first. Then plus cos A plus sec A the whole square means I can write it like the cos square. Cos A the whole square means I can write it like the cos square A plus 2 cos A sec A plus sec square A. Clear? So, the same way what I will do, I will write it here like sin square A plus 2 sin A cosec A plus cosec square A plus cos square A plus 2 cos A sec A plus sec square A. This is what we will get it here, right? Now, what we have to do, we will rearrange the equation. We will take this one to this part. That is, I can rewrite this equation to sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A cosec A plus, similarly here also what I will do, I will take cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A into sec A. In this way I can write this one. Now, which is equal to sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 into sin A into cosec A can be written as 1 by sin A plus cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 into cos A into sec A can be written as 1 by cos A. Clear? So, now what we can do, this sin A and sin A we can get cancelled. This cos A and this cos A I can cancel them. So, the new equation that I am getting here is sin square A plus cosec square A plus 1. Right? No, not 1, it is 2. 2 plus what? Similarly, I can write cos square A plus sec square A plus 2. Clear? Now, if I'm if I'm opening the bracket, what I can write? Sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 plus cos square A plus sec square A plus 2. This 2 and 2 I can add them together. I will get what? 4. Then I can write sin square A plus cos square A. I can arrange them both together. So here what I will write? Sin square A plus cos square A plus cosec square A plus sec square A plus 4. In this way I can rearrange this equation, right? So now what will happen here? What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? It is equal to 1. So this part I can rewrite like 1 plus cosec square A plus sec square A plus 4. Right now this 1 and 4 I will add them together and I will write it like 5 plus cosec square A plus sec square A, right? So what I get? Now I can write it in like the 5 plus cosec square A plus sec square A. Now in our question they have given like what is this cosec square A? I can again rewrite the value for cosec square theta. What was the equation that we have already formulated for cosec square theta? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, right? Then next equation that we have formulated, that one is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. These are the two equations that we have learned today. So from this equation, cosec square theta can be written as what? 1 plus cot square theta, right? And sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. So I will have to substitute. That is, let me write it here itself. Cosec square theta equal to how much? 1 plus cot square theta. And sec square theta equal to how much? It is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now what we can do? We can substitute these values. Cosec square theta value we can substitute here. Sec square theta value we can substitute here. So what will happen to our equation? 5 plus 1 plus cot square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta. This equation will become like this. Now I need to open my bracket. On opening, what will happen? 5 plus 1 plus cot square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta. Now what I can do? 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So I will get 7 plus cot square theta plus tan square theta. So which is equal to what? 7 plus tan square. And now look, the question is like in our RHS it is given like 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Okay, after rearranging, now look, this is our RHS, right? So it means that therefore LHS equal to RHS. Now let's do the question number 10. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square, which is also equal to tan square A. So here let me take the first part, okay. That is 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. This part let me solve it first. So what is the equation for 1 plus tan square theta? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, we have already learned what 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, right? And what is 1 plus cot square theta? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So this one I can write it like 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square A divided by 1 plus cot square theta, which is equal to cosec square A. In this way I can rewrite this equation. Now let me check what is sec theta. Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, and cosec theta equal to what? Cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, right? So sec square theta means I can rewrite that one as 1 by cos square A divided by, what is 1 cosec square A? It is equal to 1 by sin square A. Clear? So this one I can rewrite this one like 1 by cos square A into sin square A divided by 1. This is equal to sin square A by cos²A. Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta, right? Therefore, this one I can write it like it is equal to tan²A. Because why? Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta, right? Now, let me take the second part. What is the second part given here? That should be equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A the whole square. This is the second part. So, what I will do here, 1 minus tan A. Tan A can be written as sin A divided by cos A. Divided by 1 minus cot A can be written as how? Cot A equal to cos A divided by sin A. This one whole square. So here, what is that? I can rewrite. Now I need to take the LCM inside my bracket, which is equal to cos A minus sin A divided by cos A, the whole divided by 1 into sin A is sin A minus cos A divided by sin A, the whole square. Clear? So this one I can write like cos A minus sin A divided by cos A into sin A divided by sin A minus cos A. This the whole, I can write it like the square, right? So here if you're checking, I will have to put the bracket here, right? So I will put the bracket. So now I can write it like what? If I'm opening the bracket, it will become like sin square. I will rewrite that equation. Sin square A into cos A minus sin A the whole square divided by cos square A into sin A minus cos A the whole square, right? In this way we can write the equation. Now, what is sin square A by cos square A? Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta, right? So here I can write it like sin square A by cos square A. I can write it like tan square A into what is cos A minus sin A the whole square. It is of the form A plus B the A minus B the whole square. What is A minus B the whole square? A minus B the whole square equal to A plus A square plus B square plus 2AB. Therefore, here I can write cos A minus sin A the whole square means I can write it like cos square A minus 2 cos A sin A plus sin square A, right? In this part, the denominator also I can do the same way. Sin square A minus 2 sin A cos A plus cos square A. Clear? Now, if you're looking here, you can write tan square A into this sin square theta plus cos square theta. What I will get what? 1. 1 minus, what can I write it here? 1 minus 2 cos A sin A divided by this one also. What is this value? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. It is equal to 1, right? 1 minus, here what I can write? 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta, right? So now now if you're looking here, you can see that these values I can cancel each other, right? So what is left over? I'm getting tan square A at the end, right? Which is equal to my RHS. Hence it is proved, right? Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and stay connected.